Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Vinci and welcome to the Vinci Clothing's channel. Today I want to introduce to you an app called the Style Beat app. Okay, I don't want to say much about the app. I'm just going to walk you through how to use the app and why you need to have it. Okay, if at the end of this video you want to download the app, I'm going to leave the link to download the app in the description of this video. If you have any question about how to use the app or whatever question you have, I'll be expecting your questions in the comment section. All right, so see you there. All right, guys. So this is the app right here. This is the logo you look out for when you download the app. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and open it, and this is how the app looks when you download it. Beautiful interface. Okay, like I said earlier, the app has so many uses, and as you can see from the bottom buttons here, you see there's home, there's customers, there's orders, invoices, and when you click here you see more. Okay, so let's go back to home, and first of all, after my name here, Hi Vincent, you see this blue stuff here is where you see your revenue. This app helps you to keep track of the jobs you have at hand, how much this customer has paid you, how much is left, and when is his work due. you know so by the information you feed the app, it tells you how much you already have, how much revenue you generated for so far. For me, this is the amount I've generated so far this year as at April 14th. This is the amount I've generated. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. So you can toggle it on and off like this. Okay. So first of all, the first use of this app on this quick action part, the first use of the app is you can keep track of all your customers. You understand? For example, if I click at the bottom here, if I click customer, if I click customers, you're going to see the list of all my customers. You can see them. These are all my customers. You can see them. Right. So you can keep tabs of all your customers. These are all the customers I have on the app so far. So you can just save a customer's details with his measurements, even though he is not ordering for anything. There are some customers that will tell you, okay, just have my measurement. Whenever I want to sew, then I'll just pay you more and you sew for me. So you can just do that. You can just click the new customer here. If it's a female, you leave it here. If the customer is a male, you put it here. And you can see there are all the parameters you need. In fact, you can come here and put the customer's image. So let's take, for example, my customer, and you can change at the top here, you can change the unit of measurement. For me, I use inches. You can put centimeters, but let's leave it at inches. So I can let's assume the customer's name is Vincent. Okay, let me use another name. Let me use Victor. Okay, let me use Victor, and then I'll put this number +234 080 12345 678. Okay, so if this is the customer's WhatsApp number, I toggle this on, and then I put the customer's head measurement. Let's say it's 23, the neck measurement, let's say it's 16, shoulder 18, 40, that's the belly, 35, armhole, let's say 16, or let's say 14, bicep 15. You can see, just go ahead and put all the measurements you need. Top length 34. Just go ahead and put all the measurements you need, and then here you can snap the person in real time. You can click camera, snap the person, so that you know what the person looks like whenever you're sewing for him. Or you go to gallery and you select any image, and you see a file is uploading, and when it's done, you can see the person's image. So whenever the person is sewing in future, you can see his picture and know what he looks like, and then you can click save, and you can see the customer here. This is the customer's measurements. You can see it. You can see how beautiful this app is. Now back to home. Now let's assume after the customer, I've saved the customers. After I've saved the customers' measurements or details, the person now orders. Now we come to the second option here, which is new order. I can now click the new order. I remember I saved the customer's number as Victor. I can just click Victor, and you can see the name here comes up. I click it, and I click. Let's assume he wants to sew 2 suits, number of items, 2 suits, the dates. He gave me the job. Let's assume he gave me the job as at today. That's 14th as at the time, and day I'm making this video is the 14th of April 2024. And then let's say he's getting it in 2 weeks time. I'll click 28, which is 2 weeks from 24th. 2 weeks from 14th, I mean, sorry. So okay, order summary. I'll say 2 suits, 2 units of 3-piece suits. Here in the detailed description, I can put the color, maybe green and black suits. Transaction value, let's assume both of them is worth 120,000. So let's assume he has paid partially or fully paid. You can just select whatever it is here. The status, is it recently booked, is it processing, is it ready, is it delivered? So I'll just put processing. So I'm going to say that to be delivered on April 22nd. April 21st. No, sorry, 28th. Then I can put, let's assume there's a picture of suits he sent to me. Then I'll click here and select the picture. I can select more than one picture. I can select multiple images. So I'll click and I'll save. Okay, now this is the order for Victor. You can see them. Now based on the order, I can come here and generate an invoice. I can just click new invoice here, or I'll just come here. I'll just come here, check orders, click Victor's orders, and I can generate an invoice for him. So let me generate the invoice. So based on the invoice, you can see all the details here. So on the items, I'm going to say 2 suits, or just a suit, 2-piece. The price of each one is 60,000. That's 60,000. And total is 120,000. If I'm giving him a discount, I'll put the discount here. If there's task, I'll put the task. If I'm shipping it and I charge him for shipping fee, I'm going to put it here. If he has paid any amount, let's assume he has paid 70,000. You can see how it's automatically calculating the balance here. So let's assume he has paid 70,000. I will say, so this is the notes or terms. I will say, oh, let me just put thanks for your order, and I'll click save. So you can see here, this is view invoice. So this is the invoice, and I can click here and share it on his WhatsApp number. So you can see I can decide to send it here to, if the person is on WhatsApp, I can just click here and send it directly to him on WhatsApp. So let me just send it to somebody, and let's see. You can see how it is. My logo is there. I didn't put my address because I'm just showing you. And the reason why my logo is here is because I'm a pro user. You can be a pro user, and I'm going to explain to you how you can be a pro user. Okay, so this is it. So let's go back to home. And the beautiful thing about this app is, let's assume you can see here under today, you can see 7 orders will be due in 48 hours. This app reminds you of the orders. You know, there are times you get overwhelmed by work, and you have a lot in your mind, in your head, and you forget all the work you have at hand. This app reminds you of the work you have to deliver. Like I can see, in my case, I have 7 orders that will be due in 48 hours. That means on Tuesday. That means which are done already, by the way. Imagine I've not done it. Once I open this app, I'll be reminded. Then I'll start working on it. And then I have 16 people that have not paid me yet, and their work are done. So I have to remind them. And then I have one new customer, which is the new customer I just entered now, which is Victor. And that is it. So you can see how this app is useful. I have my customers' measurements. I have my customers' phone number. I have my customers' orders. And you can see here, initially it was 4 point something million. Now it's 5 million because I've entered a new order, which is the Victor's order, and you can see it has updated here to 5,523,000. You understand? So this is how this app is being used. If you have any question, I would like to get your questions in the comment section. Oh, before I forget, you can come here and invite a friend. If you invite a friend, you get points. You can see I have 44 points because I've invited 44 people. And with these points, I can, when the app starts, you can pay for the app with these points, and there are some functions of the app that is only available for pro users. So with these points, you can pay for such services. You understand what I mean? So you can generate your and how you can get this point is by inviting people. And how you can invite people is using this link here. So you can click generate link and you get your link. So anybody that downloads this app using your link gives you a point. So you can use this option here to invite a friend, and you get a pro point. So that's that about this. If you have any question, I would like to answer your questions in the comment section. Have a great day. Hey guys, so what do you think? What do you think about the app? I would like to hear your feedbacks. If you have any question, if you have any concern about the app, personally, I think this app is perfect. I mean, it solves a lot of problems. It solves a lot of problems for me. I would like to hear what you think about the app. Do you think it needs improvement? Do you think it's helpful? What do you think about the app? Let me hear in the comment section. See you in the next video. Have a great day.